Give Elmo a kiss. Oh, so nice. Can you give Elmo a hug? Oh, do you like Elmo? Yeah.
Elmo fell down.
Uh-oh, help him up.
Hello.
Help him up. Here,
Elmo fell down.
let's help him up.
Thank you.
Oh,
Best friend.
so nice. Give him big hugs. Oh, yes. What's Elmo saying? Yeah, I know. He's funny, isn't he? Should we get Elmo to dance? Do you want to dance? Stand up. Let's get Elmo to dance. Come on.
Elmo has a riddle for you. What has 4 legs but doesn't move? A table.
He's so funny.